In this video, I want to teach you how this one advisor went from 19 million to 103 million in 3 years, all without burning out. So if you're a $5 to $10 million a year annuity producer and you've got your sights set on 50 to 100 million and beyond, this might be the most important video that you watch all year because I want to share a story about one of my clients who scaled from 19 million to 103 million in annual annuity production in just 3 short years, and he did it without burning out or losing a single staff member. And more importantly, I want to break down the exact strategy he used and the mindset shifts you need to have so you can apply it too. Now, scaling isn't just about working harder, and it's not about cloning yourself. It's about building a team that performs without needing you to do everything. But most top producers lose their people before they ever get there. Why is that? Well, it's because they fail to create enough value for their associates to stay, grow, and contribute to the overall mission and vision. This is what I call the value gap. You've got opportunity, yes, but not a compelling reason for your team to stay. And when the gap between what they're capable of and what they're actually doing under your leadership gets too wide, they leave. And the truth is, it's not their fault. Here's what's usually going on behind the scenes. These are the 4 big blind spots that hold producers back from building a scalable, high-performance team. Number 1 is unconscious competence. You're great at what you do, but you can't teach it. It's instinctive, second nature. If your greatness can't be explained, it can't be scaled. Number 2 is your old school model. You've built your book in a different era. Seminars, steak dinners, handshake deals. But your team needs a playbook that works in today's environment, which is digital first, virtual sales in a hybrid model. Number 3 is lack of leadership development. You see, top producers are often lone wolves. They haven't learned how to lead, how to build more authority, how to build moral authority, earn loyalty, and invest in others in a way that creates lasting buy-in and loyalty. And number 4 is you have fuzzy expectations up front. Most producers don't set clear expectations early. They avoid the tough conversations about who this role is really for. Then later, they're blindsided when someone leaves to go do their own thing. Here's the truth. This path isn't a bridge to independence. It's a career track for someone who wants to be a highly paid, highly developed sales professional inside of a team structure that can multiply their efforts and income. But that only works if you're clear about the opportunity and you deliver against it, and also acknowledge the trade-offs up front. So if you want to scale beyond your personal production, really scale, you've got to flip the script. Number 1, you stop expecting your team to serve you, and instead, you start serving them. Number 2 is design an environment that offers autonomy, mastery, and purpose. That's Daniel Pink's framework from his seminal book called Drive. What really drives people to be highly productive inside high-functioning and high-performance team. You can go watch his TED Talk. Just search Drive Daniel Pink, and you'll find it on YouTube. And the final one here is you have to craft a vision that is so big that your people can see their dreams becoming their reality inside of your dream, your vision. You see, if they feel they can't achieve what they want inside of your vehicle, they're going to go find their own away from you. See, this is exactly what We Health, one of my clients, do. And he was doing $19 million a year. That's amazing numbers, but he was doing it all himself. He had 2 staff members giving him support, but no real team structure and no real leadership bench. We worked together to flip the model, right? He stopped trying to replicate himself and started building systems. He built a mission that others could own and get behind and realize their own potential within. And over time, that team grew to 21 people and 103 million in production. And let's be clear, I don't mean he built a downline. To this day, at 103 million in production, going to 125 to maybe 150 this year in 2025, he's doing it with only 3 licensed associate agents. No burnout, no ego, just strategy, leadership, and a scalable platform. So the question is, are you building a scalable business? Or just scaling yourself until you hit a wall and then blaming everyone else, why they don't stick around, why are they ungrateful? Because if you're stuck trying to brute force your way to the next level, that wall is coming. And when it hits, your people will leave. Now, they're not going to leave because they're ungrateful, but because you didn't give them a reason to stay. If you're ready to build a business that doesn't depend solely on you, one where your team grows with you, not away from you, we should talk. I'll show you how we help elite producers scale to 50, 75, and even $100 million in production with a team and without burning out. If this was helpful to you, drop a comment. Tell me what you got out of it, and maybe click the link in the description if you're ready to go to the next level and scale your production completely virtual in 2025. It's not about doing more. It's about building more. Hey there, Jim from the future. If you got a lot out of that last video and you liked it, go ahead and drop a like. Maybe give some of your takeaways in the comments, inspiring others to let them know. It's a worthy time investment to consume this content. And if you're ready to keep going, I think you are. If you got something from that one, then you're going to want to watch this video next.